Attention traders, at TFT, your voice fuels our innovations, and today we're thrilled to announce our updated Nights Challenge. Our Nights Challenge is our one-phase challenge where traders are eligible for a payout every 7 days. In response to your needs and suggestions, we're introducing a new lineup of account tiers, the 5K and the 10K accounts. Choose the account that aligns perfectly with your strategies and goals. We've amplified your trading flexibility with a groundbreaking new add-on. You now have the opportunity to opt in for a remarkable 4% daily drawdown and a 7% maximum drawdown, empowering you to tailor your risk-to-reward dynamics according to your preferences. With the introduction of our new account tiers and the new add-on featuring customizable drawdown, as well as no time limits, no lot size limits, and EA and trade copier allowance, the Nights Challenge stands out as the ultimate blend of strength and flexibility in the industry. Seize this opportunity to redefine your trading experience. Let the Nights Challenge be your guide to unparalleled results on your trading journey.